If we specifically look at the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, several low-lying areas are flooded. This has brought normal life to a standstill as well. The situation may worsen further because the Weather Office is predicting more rainfall in the coming days. Take a look at this ground report.
Roads flooded. People wading through waist-deep waters. Rivers swollen. Normal life in Telangana's Warangal has come to a standstill as incessant monsoon rains wreak havoc. Flood-like situation exists in several low-lying areas in the state. Residential colonies along the banks of Munneru River have been inundated, with water seeping inside houses. In Bhopalpalli district, 12 farmers trapped in floodwater were airlifted by the army. The farmers had gone to their fields to pump out excess water when they were caught in overflowing streams. Neighbouring Andhra is also battling flood fury. In Krishna district, 3 people were caught in floodwater. NDRF team deployed at the site managed to rescue them to safety.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.